Hello and welcome back to Tea for Kings, Tea for Peasants. This week I'll be showing you my 5 favorite winter teas and some of my favorite family Christmas traditions. A full review of all of these teas will be on the blog post. My 5th favorite winter tea is Twinning Ceylon Orange Pekoe. One of my favorite family traditions is decorating gingerbread houses. I got this house from Trader Joe's. My 4th favorite winter tea is Trader Joe's Spiced Chai. Another thing I love to do with my family is go looking at Christmas lights. These are the lights we decorated our house with this year. My 3rd favorite winter tea is Tazo Joy Tea. I love watching Christmas movies with my family around the holidays. These are some of my favorites. My 2nd favorite winter tea is Republic of Tea's Peppermint Chocolate Tea. My favorite Christmas tradition is baking cinnamon rolls. We make them for Christmas breakfast. And my absolute favorite winter tea is Bigelow Eggnoggin Tea. That's all for this episode of TKTP. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share it with someone else.